What is up, everyone? James here with Costa Mesa Tech Solutions. I'm currently living that laptopless life. My M1 MacBook Air is officially retired from mobile duty. I had it on my lap, my phone slipped, and the metal corner on my subcase bumped the screen just right. It is a $400 repair, so instead of fixing an M1, I am turning it into a dedicated Clawdbot machine. If you have been following that GitHub project, you know that everyone is buying Mac Minis for it to run 24/7 AGI tasks. I figured I would use the MacBook as my local server and just wait for the M5 Pro MacBook Pro to drop so I can have a laptop again. In the meantime, I had to have the perfect portable setup, and this is the winner for 2026. My daily driver is the iPad mini 7. I use this for everything. Client appointments, invoicing, on-site research, and signing service agreements with the pencil. I originally tried one of those random Amazon cases to turn it into a mini laptop, but it was a total fail. The keyboard was way too small, the balance was off, so it tipped over constantly, and the trackpad was just garbage. I realized I am not a fan of using voice dictation when I am out in public. I do not like talking to myself with other people around. So I needed a real keyboard. I tried the ProtoArc XK01 TP first. On paper, it looks great. It's a 3-part fold, the keys have nice travel, and it is smaller than the Logitech when folded. But in reality, it is a mess. The hinges do not lock, so it just flops around. If you use it on your lap, the keyboard literally bends and the trackpad hangs off the edge. The worst part is the sound. The trackpad makes this constant clicking noise in the center when you are just moving the pointer. It is incredibly irritating. That led me to this, the Logitech Keys To Go 2. It does not have a trackpad, but honestly, with iPad OS 26, using the touchscreen is just faster. The OS is built for touch, and the pointer experience on these small keyboards never compares to a Mac anyways. The best part is how it fits into my kit. I keep my iPad in the standard Apple Smart Folio, and then I use the Alpaka zip pouch Max V2 to hold everything. The Keys To Go is a tight squeeze, but it fits perfectly inside with the iPad mini and the pencil. I have 2 ways that I carry this. So for a standard client visit, I usually just keep the iPad in my tech tool bag because I do not need a keyboard for quick service calls. But if I'm going anywhere else to actually work, I grab the Alpaka pouch. It is a full workstation in one hand. If you are looking for an iPad mini setup that actually works for real world use and does not feel like a toy, this is the one I recommend.